collaboration. We all have to do it from time to time, and in this week's episode, I'm going to show you how to do it in Todoist. Hello and welcome to another episode of Working with Todoist. My name is Pullein, and in this week's episode, it is all about collaboration. Now, what do I mean by collaboration? Well, what I basically mean is those projects that you're working with somebody else on, and that you need to be able to check that the things are being done and know what's been done and what needs to be done and all that stuff. Todoist has a fantastic way of collaborating, and as long as just one of you has a premium account, then you can start collaborating. And what's more, you can actually message each other within the project. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, before I do that though, I would just like to say, if you do get any value from this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would hit that like button below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you want to get all this valuable information, then please hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's now go into Todoist and I will show you how to set up collaboration. Okay, so here we have my 2019 trip to Ibiza, and I have a number of tasks. Now let's imagine that I'm organising this trip with my wife, or it could be I'm organising this trip with my best festival buddies. But the first thing I need to do is set up the project, because if you don't set up the project, how can you share the project? So I've set up this project just to save us some time. So I've got a number of tasks in here already, but now I'm ready to share this project with my friend. Now, I have no friends, and my wife doesn't have Todoist. I haven't convinced her yet. So I'm going to share this with myself. So what I need to do is put in my alternative email address. So there we go. And I'm going to invite myself. And that has gone. So I've also changed the picture, as you can see right here. I've changed the picture so that I don't confuse myself. Okay, so let's now go over to let's come in on email. The person that you share the file with share the project with is going to get this by email. So let's go over to my demo account, and right up here you see that I have an alert, or the little orange. So if I click on that, Pullein invited you to, so I'm going to accept that, and that's now accepted. So what you'll see, and then we're going from here, what you'll now see, Todoist has just informed me that I have now accepted that. So we'll go back into here, and down at the bottom now I have my 2019 Ibiza trip, and all the various tasks are here. You'll also see that the logo, or the icon has changed now to a picture of a person, or a picture of a human being, I guess. So this is now exactly the same as this account, so we can see. And also, by the way, now that I've accepted that, you'll see that Pullein has accepted that, so that's great. I'm in. Now, this is where it gets very interesting. Imagine now that I'm with I have to decide who's going to do with what task. So up here, by the way, we've got the share option, so it's now telling me there are 2 people involved in this project. So I want to book flights to Ibiza. Now let's just say that my friend, that's him over here, this is the other Carl, he's very good at booking flights, so I'm going to click on that's for him. And I've got book room at Ushuaia Hotel, and I've also put the link in there, so I can click on that. That's going to take me to the Ushuaia Hotel website, so it's easy enough to book, and all that's really, really cool. So it saves a lot of time. So we can go back to this one, and I'm going to assign that one to myself, because let's just say I've got a friend there, so I'm going to give that to myself. So that's going there. And we've got get list of events for Ushuaia Hotel. Well, as I'm already booking the hotel, I'll get the list of events, because I can do that from that site. So I can do that one. Find out where Carl Cox is playing in August. Okay, I'll do that one. I'll assign that one to myself. So as you can see, however many people that you assigned, and book tickets for the Armin van Buren at High Ibiza on the 28th, I'm going to give that to the other person. So what you'll see here is we've got a list of now actions here. Now, if I add dates to this, So if I'm going to add on this, I'm going to add a date on this. So I'm going to put today's date. So I'm going to type in today, and that's now added. And by the way, you get email alerts. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to decide if you want to have them or not in the notification. So I've now added that today. I'm also going to put a P1 on that, and it's been assigned to the other person. So now the other person in his today view, we're going to here, and you'll see down here somewhere, where is it? It's got to be down there. Today, book flights for Ibiza. So this is all come up on the today view right here. So you can actually get the other person. Now, when the other person decides, okay, I've done that, checks that off, what will happen is you'll get an alert over here. And eventually, there you go, it's come up and it's disappeared from the list. And also I get a little notification up here to say that completed a task. So I know what has happened in that particular task. Now, next up on here, something else you can do is I can now add notes in here. And down at the bottom, you'll see notify Carl about my comment. So you can actually create a chat stream within the project window itself. So I can, hi Carl, thanks for booking the hotel. Thanks for booking the flights. Let me know how much. Let me know how much money I owe you. Full stop. Okay, so that goes in, and now what will happen is if I go over here, we've got a note assigned a task. Well, that came up on that one, but now what I can do is go into the project down here, and it's showing already, and I'm doing this in real time. I'm not pausing the video. Hi Carl, thanks for booking. Let me know how much money I owe you. It has come in, so I can reply and say it costs let's say $500, say, and then add that comment. And as you can see, obviously I'm using my real name in both these accounts. So it comes up as the real name. So it comes up also, by the way, that I get the notification. Again, you can turn the notifications off, but if I go back over here, I don't know, click out of that. It needs to, and it's just updated now, and so it comes in. So you can actually create a real-time chat within the project itself. So I find that when I'm collaborating on a collaboration video with Francesco D'Alessio or with Kevin Blackburn, we can create the project in either of our Todoist, because we're all Todoist users, and we can share the projects, and then we can actually assign tasks or notify each other when we've completed a specific task. Now, I can't believe I've not actually covered this before. I have covered it in small detail, but I've never gone through the actual whole process of setting that up. But there you go, that's how to set up a collaboration project. It's a really, really good way of keeping yourself working together with a team. And if you're actually booking stuff like vacation with friends or with family, and you're all various places and all very, very busy, then this is just a great way of getting everything together and know what's happening. And you can add dates and you can assign tasks, and it's just a really, really good way of keeping everything together and working with a team. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this episode. It just remains for me now to wish you all a very, very productive week. Thank you very much for watching this video. Now, have I got something special to tell you about? The Time and Life Mastery version 3 course has launched. Now, this course is transformative. It will transform your life. If you find that your life is drifting from one day to the next and that you feel that you're not actually achieving your goals, then this course is going to show you how to change that. It's going to show you how to identify what is truly important to you. It's going to show you how to find what it is you want out of life, and then show you the steps that you need to take in order to get there. This course is amazing. The feedback I've got from versions 1 and version 2 have just been tremendous. It has helped so many people, and I want this opportunity to tell you that it can do the same for you. I hope you will take a look at the course, have a go, take the course, and start transforming your life today. This course will do that for you. Take a look, get yourself enrolled, and hopefully I'll see you in the course.